Naan has been baked in clay tandoors for centuries, its unique flavor and texture shaped by fire and tradition. Once a luxury for royal courts, naan became a daily delight for communities across the region.
Traditional dough was simple, yet relied on skillful handwork to achieve softness and airiness.
Over time, technological innovations transformed naan from a handcrafted delicacy to mass-produced bread while preserving its signature texture.
Model factories replicate traditional taste and fluffiness at industrial scale, feeding thousands daily.
The basic ingredients remain the same, but controlled proportions and consistency ensure large-scale quality.
Beyond nutrition, naan carries cultural and emotional significance in kitchens around the world. From centuries-old tandoors to high-tech factories, the journey of fluffy naan is about to enter the modern era. High-quality wheat flour provides the gluten structure essential for soft, airy naan.
The protein content determines gluten formation, directly impacting softness and chewiness.
Yeast produces carbon dioxide, creating air pockets that make naan fluffy and light. Milk and ghee not only enhance taste, but also tenderize the dough for a soft bite.
Sugar feeds the yeast, while salt strengthens gluten, creating the perfect structure.
Automation ensures consistency, speed, and hygiene without compromising the dough's quality.
Even minor inconsistencies in ingredients can affect texture, taste, and shelf life.
With ingredients perfected, the journey continues into kneading, fermentation, and shaping. Large mixers replicate hand kneading, developing gluten networks evenly throughout the dough.
Proper hydration allows gluten to develop, giving naan its characteristic soft and stretchy texture.
The kneading process stretches proteins, creating a network that traps air for a fluffy bite. Resting allows enzymes to break down starches and relax gluten, improving softness and extensibility.
Fermentation produces gas bubbles that will expand during baking, creating light and fluffy naan.
Industrial production requires consistent dough quality to ensure uniform naan across thousands of pieces.
Once properly kneaded and fermented, the dough is ready for dividing and shaping at high speed.
The journey from raw ingredients to fluffy naan continues as dough is portioned and shaped for baking.
Industrial dividers ensure each dough ball is perfectly uniform, crucial for consistent baking and texture.
Mechanical precision guarantees that every naan will puff evenly during baking.
Even small inconsistencies can affect texture, so each piece is verified before shaping.
Rollers gently flatten the dough to exact specification, maintaining air pockets essential for fluffiness. Automated sensors guarantee every naan has the same thickness, avoiding undercooked or overly dense bread. Once portioned and flattened, the dough is ready to rise, developing airy texture before baking.
High-speed automation allows thousands of dough pieces to be prepared daily without compromising quality.
The journey from dough ball to fluffy naan continues as fermentation breathes life into each piece.
Proofing chambers provide precise temperature and humidity to activate yeast and encourage dough expansion.
As yeast ferments sugars, carbon dioxide creates tiny bubbles, giving naan its signature airy texture.
Even small deviations in temperature or humidity can affect fluffiness and texture.
Time and consistency are critical. Gradual fermentation ensures even puffing during baking.
The biochemical reaction inside the dough produces gas and flavor compounds, essential for taste and softness.
Quality control during proofing ensures every naan will puff evenly and maintain consistent texture.
Once perfectly proofed, the dough is ready to enter high-heat baking ovens, where science meets flavor.
The careful balance of yeast, temperature, and humidity sets the stage for the naan's final fluffy perfection. Industrial ovens replicated traditional tandoor conditions at scale, ensuring each naan puffs evenly.
High heat causes trapped gases to expand rapidly, forming the characteristic airy pockets of naan.
The combination of steam, heat, and gluten elasticity allows the naan to rise beautifully.
The Maillard reaction caramelizes sugars and amino acids, creating rich flavor and appealing color.
Exact timing and temperature control are essential for consistent naan quality. Steam keeps the exterior soft while promoting internal puffing, mimicking traditional tandoor results. From raw dough to golden, fluffy naan, the baking process is where science and culinary art unite.
With perfect baking complete, the journey continues with finishing touches to enhance flavor and aroma.
Ghee and butter add not only taste but also enhance the soft texture, giving naan its signature mouthfeel. Precision brushing ensures every piece carries consistent richness and aroma.
Traditional toppings not only enhance flavor, but also provide texture and visual cues for quality.
Special aroma infusion chambers elevate the sensory appeal, mimicking artisan baking techniques. Each naan is checked to meet visual, tactile, and aroma standards before packaging.
Proper cooling prevents condensation inside packaging, preserving texture and freshness.
The combination of careful finishing and traditional flavorings transforms baked dough into delicious, fluffy naan. Once perfectly finished, the naan is ready for packaging, preserving freshness and quality for consumers worldwide.
Automated packaging ensures each naan is handled efficiently while maintaining cleanliness and freshness.
Sealing locks in moisture and aroma, keeping naan soft and flavorful for consumers.
Each package carries vital information for quality control, traceability, and regulatory compliance.
Efficient packing ensures the product reaches retailers intact, maintaining freshness and appearance.
Controlled storage preserves flavor, softness, and shelf life before distribution.
An optimized supply chain ensures that freshly baked naan reaches tables around the world efficiently.
Continuous checks guarantee that every package meets the same high standard of freshness and fluffiness.
With packaging complete, the next priority is quality control to safeguard taste, texture, and hygiene. Quality control is critical in large-scale production, safeguarding both safety and consumer satisfaction.
Consistent moisture content ensures that naan remains fluffy, avoiding dryness or spoilage. Mechanical testing confirms that each naan meets the desired tactile and sensory qualities.
Routine microbial checks prevent contamination, protecting consumer health and factory reputation.
Random sampling ensures that every batch leaving the factory maintains consistent standards.
Automation helps detect inconsistencies faster than manual inspection, maintaining speed without compromising quality.
Factories adhere to strict food safety regulations, ensuring that naan is safe and delicious for every consumer. With quality assured, the final chapter explores the future of industrial naan production, from automation to eco-friendly practices.
The audio features the sounds of an automated factory floor, including the whirring of machinery.
Modern bakeries are experimenting with specialty variants to cater to dietary preferences and gourmet tastes.
We believe in environmentally conscious production,
starting with our organic wheat and the ethical treatment of our Jersey dairy cows.
Energy-efficient ovens and recycling systems make modern naan factories more environmentally responsible.
Artificial intelligence monitors every step, ensuring perfect naan every time, while optimizing production. From factory to consumer, efficient logistics and automation ensure fresh naan reaches tables globally. Innovation, tradition, and technology combine to bring fluffy naan from factory floors to the heart of kitchens everywhere.